In Perth's northernmost suburbs, road users are reaping the benefits of a project that has eased congestion and improved traffic flow. The Mitchell Freeway Extension has significantly improved transport options for the area's rapidly expanding population. The project was completed by Main Roads and CIMIC Group construction company CPB Contractors on time and under budget in August 2017. The Mitchell Freeway is the principal component of the northern suburbs road network. With population growth averaging around 6,000 new residents per year in the area, there was a critical need to extend the Mitchell Freeway beyond Burns Beach Road in Joondalup. The extension works, which began in June 2015, improved traffic flow and traffic options by providing a dual carriageway in both directions to Hester Avenue in Clarkson, with capacity to expand to 3. Works also include a shared pedestrian and cycle path, plus a range of local road upgrades.
Another key feature is to provide better access to the Neerabup industrial area, which is an area to the east of the freeway, and that industrial area will be as large as Malaga and Wangara put together. That particular industrial area will drive a lot of employment opportunities for people in the northern region of Perth.
In addition to creating 3 new interchange bridges over the railway line at Burns Beach Road, Neerabup Road and Hester Avenue, the delicate task of removing the existing bridge over Hester Avenue was undertaken. A reverse construct method was used to safely complete the operation over the live rail line. The new roundabout-like formations at Neerabup Road and Hester Avenue improve traffic flow and reduce the severity of vehicle impacts compared to other junction types. It's an innovative approach to freeway traffic management, making our roads safer.
So traditionally, most of the freeways in the metropolitan Perth area are traffic signals. So on this project we've gone for roundabouts, and the advantage for roundabouts is it's free flowing, so you don't have to get held up at red lights and have the phasing issues with that. So it's free flowing, so obviously cars can just enter the roundabout and go in the destinations that they want to go. But it also has a huge advantage in the fact that roundabouts look after themselves and there's no maintenance with power going off to the lights or damage to the light traffic signals. But also they are safer in the fact that vehicles generally are forced to slow down on speed.
We've also addressed traffic congestion and dangerous intersections on local roads. Neerabup Road has been extended from Connolly Drive to Wanneroo Road. Hester Avenue has been widened from Hidden Valley Retreat to Wanneroo Road. Wanneroo Road has been widened from Flynn Drive to Hall Road. The Joondalup Wanneroo Road intersection has been upgraded, and a major accident black spot has been removed by reconfiguring the Flynn Drive, Wanneroo Road and Neerabup Road intersection.
Just that in itself is going to provide huge benefits, to the local community from a safety aspect and also from a transport efficiency aspect as well, because Flynn Drive is the major access to the Neerabup industrial area, and it's heavily used by large trucks.
We have been guided by a community reference group to enable us to address the concerns of residents, schools, interest groups and business. As part of the design process, we identified noise mitigation for residents on the boundary of the freeway extension as a key issue. Extensive consultation resulted in the construction of a 3.5 kilometre limestone noise mitigation wall along the new freeway alignment. 4 metre wide pedestrian share paths, strategically connected to residential paths, are a key part of the project, giving residents the option to leave their car at home. A bus underpass with a built-in pedestrian share path has also been added to provide future residents better access to Clarkson train station. Our resolve to deliver environmentally friendly solutions ensured that work within the Neerabup National Park minimised impact to the environment. Wherever possible, we took steps to conserve vegetation and establish trees, protect the habitats of native flora and fauna, and salvage plant material for reuse after the project.
In total, we've planted over 300,000 plants as part of the revegetation strategy for the project. We've put out around 280 kilos of seed as well, across about 50 species types. So we've really tried to replicate what's in the area and given a lot of diversity to the species which we've selected for the landscaping.
Our extensive trapping program relocated native species such as bandicoots, possums and reptiles. In addition, we considered the movement of fauna by adding to the number of fauna underpasses. The 8 new underpasses improve permeability through fragmented sections of the national park. Throughout the project, we pushed sustainability and innovation boundaries, undertaking a number of first-of-a-kind trials in Western Australia. Recycled crushed glass was used as a sub-base for Wanneroo Road, highlighting a potential reuse of glass products in WA.
As part of the project, Main Roads has come to us and asked us to look at a trial. So the trial for the LED lighting was to find a luminaire, an LED luminaire that can just be retrofitted into the traditional standard Main Roads light pole. So that is what we're delivering on this project. So the LED luminaire has the huge advantages of using less power, has a longer lifespan, but also if the trial's successful, Main Roads will then be able to go down the freeway and then just swap out the sodium lights of the LED lights.
In addition, the design of the project's bridge beams has delivered significant savings in concrete and formwork. The unconventional bridge beams sit on top of one another, enhancing the efficiency of the structure. All 54 of the project's 80-tonne bridge beams had to be lifted into place in a confined area during a limited number of rail shutdowns. As the rail line closures were scheduled a year in advance, we had to hit every construction milestone.
One unique thing about this project is that we are building it around live rail. What this means is that earthworks, structures and local roads teams have to talk to each other to ensure that we get done what's required, to ensure that we meet those shutdown deadlines and get the project built on time.
The Mitchell Freeway Extension to Hester Avenue and the upgrading of surrounding roads will not only decongest and make local roads safer, it will stimulate further residential growth north of Joondalup. The project will also promote commercial growth in the region, particularly at the Neerabup Industrial Estate, building a better future for the region.